What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on with my 2017 Ford Focus RS. So my clothing line has officially launched. Go ahead and check it out. First link in the description below on Teespring. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite piece of clothing is, and of course guys, let's go ahead and get started on today's video. So by no means did I expect to be making this video yesterday. I ran into a little bit of an issue. I don't know what's going on. I think I might have blown my engine, maybe blown my head, blown the head gasket. Something's going on. I got coolant all over the engine bay. Let me go ahead and play some clips from last night. Sorry, so they were recorded on my phone. Some of them are going to be upright, some of them horizontal, so let me go ahead and apologize about that. So I got what appears to be oil all over the back of the car. It's coolant. And coolant everywhere. I'm trying to determine where it's leaking from. I don't believe it's leaking from the head, because there is no moisture anywhere in the back. That's all up front. The whole underside is covered in coolant, so I'm praying to God that it's a hose. Alright, so I'm hoping this is rather good news, but everything seems to be leaking by where the radiator is. This hose is intact. Obviously there's a lot of fluid on the fan. All over the charge pipe. So I don't know if you can see down there, but there's a lot of coolant on the radiator fan housing, so I'm assuming it's a hose or definitely the radiator, one or the other. Alright, now that you guys have seen that, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Right now I poured some more water in the coolant reservoir. It was completely emptied, and I'm assuming that it's going to be the radiator or hopefully a hose. I don't know. Let me go ahead and clear the codes, because otherwise it runs like crap. It sounds like a damn lawnmower. And once we clear the codes, we'll get it started and see what's going on. So here's the list of codes. Engine coolant temperature, cylinder head over temperature, cylinder head over temperature, protection active. Keep in mind, guys, so it's saying high engine temperature right now. My car hasn't been started since yesterday, so I know it's not overheating, obviously. So something's definitely going on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood, prop it open, start it, see if we can find where the leak is, and then we'll go from there. Before we get started and starting the car, as you see, there is still coolant everywhere. Everything drained on this right side over here, so that's an even better sign. I'm pretty sure it's a hose. But like I said, we're going to start it, take a look. Hopefully everything is fine. Alright, you guys, so I literally just filled this up. and it's just leaking all by itself without even running the car. So I don't know what's going on. Overflow hose maybe. I'm gonna have to jack it up here and see where it's leaking from. Okay, so the car is not even running right now. Or water. Watch it just go down. Whoop. So obviously nothing is wrong with the block. Just leaking out down there. So I jacked it up on one side, and of course it's gonna leak out. It appears that those are fine. Obviously they've been on and off a couple of times now because I've done the clutch. Alright guys, we got the front bumper off. Now it's time to see if we can see where the leak is coming from once again. So obviously it's leaking right here. I just don't know if it's a hose or what it is yet. Alright, and just like that we have the intercooler halfway off. There's no coolant in the charge pipes. That's a good sign. Let me get the other side off. And 2 holes. So one big ass hole here, another one here, and it's all dinged up all over. I think we found the cause of the problem, for sure. Alright, so let's go ahead and fast forward to the next day. Pretty much the car is taken apart, ready to be put back together, except for the fact we don't have parts. So it's a waiting game, and that sucks. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have done already and what we have to do. So once again, we determined that this hole right here is the cause of all the coolant loss. Alright guys, as you can see, there's still coolant that I do have to clean up all over the transmission mainly, and the throttle body and intake manifold, so I will be cleaning that up. And then from there, pretty much all I could do is wait. Gonna clean up the blow-off valve. Look at that thing, so pretty. So yeah, that's that. Pretty unfortunate that that had happened. I have no idea what went through it. I figured maybe it was a tool or something that got dropped in the engine bay and got into the fan and propelled through the radiator, or it could have been a rock that got kicked up. Who knows? I definitely don't know. Anyhow, I ordered a Mountune radiator, so that should be here within the next couple of days. Since they aren't too far away, they're in LA, I'm in Fresno, 3-hour drive. Hopefully it's here by Friday because I got other plans for installs that I need to have the radiator done so I can get those installs done. And of course, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below, and of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out. Damond.